If you want to master UV mapping from the ground up, this course is built for you. With over 45 hours of training, more than 90 lessons, all project files, and 9 complete production projects, you'll learn every concept through practical, real-world examples. The course uses RizomUV as the primary software for creating UVs, while 3ds Max is used to explain the concepts more clearly. This combination helps you understand not only how to use the tools, but why each step matters. Never used RizomUV before? No problem. Everything is taught from the very beginning. Whether you're a Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, or any other 3D software user, this course is still for you. The focus isn't on learning a specific application, it's about understanding the core principles of UV mapping that can be applied in any professional 3D workflow. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to analyze topology before unwrapping, place seams correctly, minimize distortion, organize UV islands efficiently, and maximize UV space with professional packing techniques. You'll also explore production workflows for games, animation, film, Substance Painter, tileable textures, and UDIM pipelines, learning when and why each workflow is used. Finally, you'll dive into advanced topics such as texel density, baking workflows, light map UVs, checker-based distortion analysis, and asset optimization for real-time engines. By the end of the course, you won't just know how to unwrap a model, you'll understand how to create clean, production-ready UVs that improve texture quality, baking accuracy, and the overall quality of your final assets.